بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 8. Today we will continue our work in the Math EmSAT Advantage. We have now this question number 15. A teacher asked 119 students, how many phones do you have? She recorded the data on the graph below. We have this graph. What is the total number of phones that students have? So I want from you to read the question again. Then please tell me what is the total of the phones. Start, please. Okay, who can answer me here? Listen to me. In this paragraph, we have here the number of phones, as you see here in the middle. And here we have 20. 22 means here 21, 23. So 20, 22, 23. So we have 23. And here, as you see the value here in the middle, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37. And here, as you see, we have 20. And here we have 30. And here we have 8. Here we have 2, 4, 6, 8. We can add to know the total. 3 plus 7, 10, plus 8, 18. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 3, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 3, 11. So the answer will be 180. Do you have any question about this idea?
No, mister.
Okay, the second question now, number 16. Identify the true statement about angles. I want from all students to read the four choices very well, then tell me what is the correct choice here, please. Start, please. Okay, who can answer me here? What is the correct choice? As you remember, the angle between two vectors. This is the first vector, the second vector. This is the angle between them. Here the vertex, here the angle. So the first choice, an angle that turns through 5 degree, means here 1 degree. Angles has measures of 5 degrees. If the measure of this angle 1 degree, and if I have 5 angles the same this, if I have 5 angles, this is the 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, and this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The measure will be 5. So this is correct. This is correct. An angle is formed by two rays that don't have the same endpoint. Don't have the same endpoint. So this is an angle formed by two rays, this ray and this ray, that don't have the same endpoint. And this is here the endpoint and here the endpoint. And the name here also endpoint. But here we have common endpoint. So this is not true, because the angle, we have common point in the vertex here. An angle measure is equal to the total length of the two rays that from the angle. The measure of the angle between this point and this point, not the total of the length. This is wrong. An angle that turns through 1 over 330 of a circle has a measure of 36 degrees. So in the circle, if this angle 1 degree, and if I start from this point and make a whole turn to reach the same point of the beginning, means I will have 360 degrees. So this angle means 1 over 300. So this is correct. This is correct. Who has any question about this idea? Is it clear for all? Okay, number 17. Which expression is equivalent to the value of the dot on the number line shown below? We have this dot plot, and here we have many operations. Which one the correct, please? Try to find the correct choice, then tell me. Start, please. Okay, who can tell me the answer here? Are you hearing me, girls? Girls, are you hearing me?
Yes, Mister.
Taif, are you here?
Yes,
Taif,
Mister.
Afra, are you here?
Yes,
Beka, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. So as you see here, we want to add to find the value. Here we have the same denominator, so we can add
Mister,
directly. Yes,
maybe the answer A.
number A. What is your name?
Latifa.
Okay, thank you, Latifa. So here we have the same denominator. 5 plus 3 will be 8. We can write this fraction as mixed number using long division. Here we have 8, here we have 6. So 8 divided by 6 will be 1. 1 times 6, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. So the whole number will be 1 and 2 over 6. And this value here, 2 plus 6 will be 8 over the same denominator, over 12. We can do simplest form here. Divide by 4 up, divide by 4 down, will be 2 over 3. And this value here, 6 plus 2, 8, and over 4. 8 over 4, 8 divided by 4 means equal to. Then here 4 plus 4 will be 8 over 3. We can't find the mixed number here. 8 divided by 3 will be 2. 2 times 3, 6. 8 minus 6 will be 2. So the answer will be 2 and 2 over 3. And as you see, here is the point between 1 and 2. So the answer here 2 is greater than is equal to. So this is not correct because the point between 1 and 2. And here 2 and 2 over 30 greater than 2, so this is not correct. And here the fraction, the numerator smaller than the denominator, means the value between 0 and 1. But here the point between 1 and 2, so this is not correct. So it means the correct value will be 1 and 2 over 6. This is 1, and here 2 over 6. 1 and 2 over 6. So the point will be the first correct. Thank you, Latifa. I will add to you 2 marks. Who has any question about this idea? Is it clear for all?
Yes.
Great. Okay, number 18. Select all figures that are divided such that each part is 1 over 6 of the area of the whole figure. As you see here, we have 4 figures. I want from all to choose the correct one. Start, please, then tell me what is your answer. Okay, who can answer me here? As you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the question here, What is the fraction represent each part? As you see, we have here 6 equal parts. So here the fraction will be 1 over 6. So this is correct. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each part represent 1 over 6. Here we have 1, 2.
B.
Yes, B correct. Excellent. A and B correct. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 6 parts, but not equal as you see. Not equal in the size. So this is not correct because not equal. And here we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here not 6 equal parts, here 8 parts. So this is not correct. Do you have any question about this idea? Okay. Number 19. Select all choices that are factor pairs for the number 28. What is the factor? What is the factors of the number of 28? We have 4 choices. Tell me please what is the right choice. Start please. Okay, who can answer me here? 28. Tell me the product of the two numbers equal 28. We can write 1 times 28. So this is correct. The first one correct.
Mr.
Yes.
A, B, C correct, but D incorrect.
Great, Latifa. Great work. 28 also equal 4 times 7. So this is correct. And 28 also 2 times 14. So this is correct. But 8 and 3, 8 times 3 will be 24, not 28. So this is here wrong. So the answer of Latifa correct. Great work, Latifa. In this question, Hind works in a call center receiving emails from a customers. The paragraph shows the total number of emails she received on 5 days last week. What is the total number of emails Hind delivered on Monday and Tuesday? We have 4 choices. So I want from all to read the question again. Then from the paragraph, tell me what is the total emails delivered on Monday and Tuesday. Start, please. Okay, who can tell me what is the answer here? We want on Monday and on Tuesday. As we see here on Monday, we have here 200, here 210, here 220. And on Tuesday, here we have 100, here 110, 120, between 120 and 130 means 125. So the total will be here 5, 4, 3, 345. 345. Oh, sorry, here exactly in this line. Here we have 100, 110, 120, 130, sorry, 130. So the answer will be 350. The answer will be 350. So here the first one, the correct one. Do you have any question about this idea? Is it clear for all?
Yes.
Great. Question number 21. Select all ways to show how to find the value of 6 times 30. So here we have 4 choices. Tell me please the correct choice. Start please. As you see here, the value of 6 times 30, 180. The first choice here, 3 times 6, 18, times 10 will be 180. So here we have the same value. So means this is correct. Here 6 group of 3 tenses means 6 times 30 equal 180. So this is correct. Here 9 times 10 equal 90. So this is not true. This is not true because the value will be 180, not 90. 6 group of 3 ones. 6 group times 3 ones equal 18. So this is not correct because the value will be 180. Do you have any question here? Number 22, a teacher asked 119 students, how many phones do you have? She recorded the data on the graph below. We have this graph. I want from all to read the question again, then from the graph to find the answer of this question. How many of the students have two phones? Start please and tell me please. Okay, who can answer me here? And as you see here, have two phones. This is two phones because here the number of the phones here 0, here 1, or here two phones. As you see exactly here 20. So the answer here will be 20. Is it clear for all? Do you have any question about this idea? Question number 23. Each figure is divided into 4 equal parts of the whole figure. Select all figures which show 1/4 of the figure is shaded. So who can tell me what is the correct answer here? As you see here, we have 4 equal parts and shaded the first part. So means here we have 1/4. And as you see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts, and we have just one part shaded. So 1/4. So here correct, here correct. And as you see here, we have 4 equal parts, and the first part here shaded. So here 1/4. So this is correct. But in the last part, we have 4 equal parts, but shaded 3 parts. So here we have 3/4. So this is not correct. This is not correct. Okay, inshallah, we will continue tomorrow. We will start from this question. Who has any question? No questions? Okay, thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
Bye, mister.